As we look back on the year gone by, we remember the artists who shaped Indian cinema through decades of dedication, creativity, and passion. Their work crossed generations, languages, and regions, leaving behind a cultural legacy that continues to live on through their films, music, and memories. Today, we honor them for their contribution to the Indian entertainment industry. Let's first speak about our recent loss, Dharmendra, who remains one of the most enduring icons in the history of Indian cinema. Rising from humble beginnings, he became a symbol of strength, romance, and sincerity on screen. Over a career spanning more than 6 decades, he appeared in hundreds of films, effortlessly moving between intense action roles, gentle romantic performances, and heartfelt family dramas. Films such as Sholay, Phool Aur Patthar, Anokhi Ada, and Chupke Chupke showcased his remarkable versatility and natural screen presence as well. Beyond cinema, his connection with the masses extended into public life, where he also served, although briefly, as a member of parliament. Admired for his simplicity and warmth, Dharmendra's legacy is not only measured in box office success, but in the emotional bond he shared with audiences across India. Zubeen Garg was far more than a singer. He was a cultural force whose music reflected the soul of the Northeast while resonating across the nation. Equally comfortable performing Assami folk music and mainstream Hindi film songs, he bridged the regional and national identities through his sound. His voice carried raw emotion, whether in devotional compositions, romantic ballads, or socially conscious songs. Tracks like Ya Ali brought him widespread recognition, but his greatest contribution lay in elevating the regional music to national platforms. As a performer, composer, and cultural ambassador, Zubeen Garg inspired countless young artists to stay rooted while still dreaming big. Satish Shah was a master of nuance, capable of stealing scenes with a single expression or line. While widely celebrated for his comedy, his strength lay in the deep understanding of the characters that he picked up. From iconic television roles in Sarabhai vs. Sarabhai to memorable appearances in films such as Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, Main Hoon Na and Hum Saath Saath Hain, he brought intelligence and restraint to the humor. His performances never relied on exaggeration. Instead, they reflected keen observation of human behavior. Satish Shah's work continues to be revisited and cherished, reminding audiences that true comedy often comes from honesty and simplicity. And from one comic legend to another, Govardhan Asrani, he earned his place in cinema history through a unique brand of comedy that blended innocence, exaggeration, and impeccable timing. He became a household name during Hindi cinema's most celebrated decades, delivering performances that audiences instantly connected with. Whether playing the awkward friend, the comic foil, or the lovable eccentric, Asrani brought warmth to every character that he played. His influence on Indian screen comedy is unmistakable, and many of his performances remain cultural touchstones that continue to evoke laughter across generations. Sulakshana Pandit, she occupied a rare space in Indian entertainment industry as both a gifted actress as well as a singer too. Her screen performances carried emotional depth and quiet strength, while her singing reflected classical training blended with popular appeal. She worked alongside some of the most respected names in the industry, leaving behind a body of work that balanced sensitivity with grace. Though she chose a life away from the constant limelight later on, her contributions continued to be remembered for their sincerity and artistic integrity. Though she chose a life away from constant limelight later on, her contributions continue to be remembered for their sincerity and artistic integrity. Pankaj Dheer, he became a familiar and respected presence in Indian households through his portrayal of Karna in television epic Mahabharat. His dignified interpretation brought complexity and humanity to a legendary figure, earning admiration across generations. Beyond mythology, he maintained a steady career in television and film, often portraying authoritative or morally grounded characters. His performances reflected discipline, gravitas, and a deep respect for storytelling, making him a lasting figure in Indian television history. Manoj Kumar's name became synonymous with patriotism in Indian cinema. He was famously known as Bharat Kumar. At a time when films were shaping national identity, he chose the stories that celebrated Indian values, Indian unity, and our cultural pride. Known affectionately, like I said, Bharat Kumar, he directed and starred in films that emphasized social responsibility and national consciousness. Works like Upkar, Purab aur Paschim, and Kranti were not just films but statements that resonated deeply with audiences. His contributions extended beyond entertainment, influencing how cinema would inspire collective pride and reflection amongst the people of this country. Rishabh Tandon represented a new generation of musicians who balanced emotional depth with modern sensibilities. As a singer and composer, his work reflected sincerity and introspection, often touching listeners through melody-driven compositions. Though his career was shorter than many of his contemporaries, his music left a distinct emotional footprint. His songs continue to find listeners who connect with their honesty and understated beauty. Shefali Jariwala. She became a defining pop culture figure with her appearance in Kaanta Laga, a moment that reshaped the music video landscape here in India. Her confident screen presence and distinctive style made her an instant sensation. Over time, she remained a recognizable face in entertainment industry, representing a shift toward modern, youth-driven pop imagery. Her impact lay not in volume of work, but in cultural influence, marking a turning point in contemporary Indian pop entertainment. Dheeraj Kumar's contribution to Indian entertainment extended well beyond his on-screen appearances. As an actor, producer, in fact as a mentor, he played a vital role in shaping television content and nurturing the new talent. His production work focused on meaningful storytelling, particularly in mythological and socially rooted narratives. Known for his discipline and vision, he helped build creative ecosystems that allowed many artists and technicians to grow and succeed. AVM Saravanan stood as a pillar of one of Indian cinema's most respected production houses. Under his leadership, AVM Productions continued its tradition of quality filmmaking and innovation. His work preserved the studio's legacy while also adapting to changing cinematic landscapes. By supporting filmmakers, writers and performers, he played a crucial behind-the-scenes role in shaping Tamil cinema's evolution across generations. Now comes the advertising mogul, Piyush Pandey. He transformed the advertising into a form of storytelling that felt deeply Indian. His narratives drew from everyday life, humor, emotion, and cultural insight, blurring the line between commerce and art. Though not a traditional entertainer, his work influenced how stories were told across media platforms, including film and television promotion. His legacy lies in reminding audiences that powerful storytelling can exist in the smallest of moments. Madhumati was celebrated for her expressive dance and acting, bringing elegance and emotional depth off the screen. Working across multiple film industries, she embodied a classical grace that complemented both dramatic and musical narratives. Her performances reflected rigorous training and a deep understanding of movement and expression, making her an admired figure among dance and cinema enthusiasts alike. Sudeep Pandey was a dedicated figure in Bhojpuri cinema and television, contributing to the growth and also visibility of regional storytelling. His performances reflected local culture and lived experience, strengthening the emotional connection between regional cinema and its audience. he remained committed to representing his roots with authenticity and also pride. Vishnu Prasad built a steady and respected career in Malayalam cinema and television. Known for character-driven roles, he brought realism and emotional honesty to his performances. His work resonated with audiences who valued his subtlety and grounded storytelling, earning him admiration within the industry and beyond. Deepak Sarma was a distinguished flutist whose music enriched both classical traditions and film soundtracks. His mastery over the instrument brought depth and serenity to compositions, enhancing the emotional impact of visual storytelling. Through performances and recordings, he contributed to preserving and evolving India's rich musical heritage. Mukul Dev was an actor known for his versatility and ease across genres. From comedy to drama, from television to cinema, he brought energy and sincerity to every role. Appearing in films such as Yamla Pagla Divana and popular television shows, he earned appreciation for his natural performances and approachable screen presence. Remembered fondly by colleagues and fans also, Mukul Dev's career reflected dedication, adaptability, and genuine love for his craft. B. Saroja Devi was one of Indian cinema's most celebrated actresses, commanding immense respect across Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Hindi industries. Known for her expressive eyes, graceful movement and emotional depth, she appeared in over 200 films and worked alongside legendary actors of multiple generations. Honored with the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, her career stood as a testament to longevity, discipline and artistic excellence. Kota Srinivasa Rao was a towering figure in Telugu cinema, renowned for powerful character roles that conveyed authority, vulnerability and moral complexity. With a career spanning more than 5 decades and hundreds of films, he brought intensity and credibility to every performance. His work remains a benchmark for character acting in the Indian cinema. Ravi Kumar Menon contributed meaningfully to Malayalam and Tamil cinema through roles that reflected sincerity and charm. His performances were grounded and relatable, earning him steady admiration from audiences who valued realism in storytelling. Sarigama Vijay dedicated his life to Kannada theatre and television, nurturing performances, traditions and mentoring younger artists. His work reflected a deep respect for the stage and the cultural roles of theatre in society. C. Krishnaveni was a true pioneer of Telugu cinema. As an actress, singer, and producer, she helped shape the foundation of an entire industry. Living to the age of 100, her life spanned the evolution of Indian cinema itself, making her a living link to its earliest chapters. Tamil actor Rajesh was known for dignified, understated performances that emphasized character over spectacle. His long career reflected consistency and professionalism, earning him respect from peers and audiences alike. Supergood Subramani became admired for his ability to bring authenticity to supporting roles. His performances added emotional depth to films, often leaving a strong impression despite limited screen time. Bank Janardhan was a beloved Kannada comedian whose work brought laughter to millions. Over 4 decades, his humor reflected warmth, timing, and relatability, making him a cherished presence in Karnataka's entertainment landscape. Now, as this year comes to an end, we remember these artists with gratitude for the stories they've told us and the emotions that they have shared with us. Though they are no longer with us, their work continues to live on in films, music, and memories that time cannot fade ever. As we step into a new year, we carry their legacy forward, knowing that while lives may end, art remains eternal.